Okay, welcome back. Today we are doing a repair on this front porch right here. Yeah, it sounds hollow. That's because it is. The porch was originally built correctly. At some point, a previous homeowner redid the porch with what they call brick fascia. This would be the brick fascia right here. This is the original porch. This is what happens years later. It all starts popping off. So let me give you a walkthrough real quick and then we'll get right to it. What we are doing today is repairing all of this. Now, of course, I have to move everything from around here, but we're redoing things like this right here, where you can see that it's all popping off. And let me get you in view. All right, you can see it's just popping off. Okay, so we're going to redo the sides. We're going to redo the flooring on it, the stairs. We're taking off these handrails that, as of right now, do not function correctly, and I'll show you what I mean with this. And you'll notice the brick is popped, so this is not an option. We're going to do an external handrail on it. We're going to have to move a bush, of course, that one. We're going to have to clean up all this stuff and redo it all. So let's get to it and have some fun.